You watch YouTube. You know it. I know it. You're watching it right now. But did you ever get frustrated by the recommendations that YouTube shows you at the end of other videos and wish you could just flush them out and get some new ones? Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to flush out your YouTube recommendations and get a whole new set. When you watch your YouTube videos, you have probably watched there's a whole set of recommendations down the left side of the screen, and when the video is done, they have a bunch of them on the end of the screen that are recommended for you. This is fine because YouTube figures out those recommendations and shows them to you based on your viewing history. But what if you've already seen all of these recommendations that you want to see and you want to see some other recommendations? It doesn't do any good to scream at your computer and say, "Give me some new recommendations!" It probably won't work either to go look up YouTube's number and call them and scream at them. We don't want to do that. So instead, I'm going to show you how to flush out all these old recommendations and start an entirely new set. The YouTube computers figure out what to recommend based on your browsing history. So if you want to flush out your recommendations, you pretty much have to flush out your browsing history. YouTube figures if you watch a certain type of video, especially if you watch several of them, you like that type of video, and therefore they're going to recommend more of that kind of video for you. First, of course, go to YouTube and be sure you're signed in. You need to sign in because it's through your account they track what you view. Next, look all the way to the left of the page header, just to the left of the YouTube logo. There you'll see three horizontal lines called a hamburger icon. When you click that icon, it will open your YouTube main menu. A short way down this menu, you'll see a section titled Library, and right under that there will be a link for History. Click on that History link and you'll go to a page where all the videos you have viewed will be listed. Did I say all of the videos? Well, yes, I did. I tried scrolling down to the bottom of the page on my history, but it just kept on loading more and more videos from my history. I didn't reach the end of that. I quit and gave up. It is the videos on this list that the YouTube computers use in a very complex calculation to figure out which recommended for you and related videos they show on your feed. So if you watch 4 funny hamster videos in a row, and now you're inundated with recommendations for more than 1,000 other funny hamster videos, and you just don't want to see them anymore, you want to get rid of those suggestions, all you need to do is delete the funny hamster videos from your viewing history. To delete any video from your history, simply hover over its listing, and you'll see an X appear off to the right of it. Just click on that X, and boom! The video is gone. If you get rid of all the funny hamster videos from your history, hopefully you will stop seeing recommendations for more. If you want to get a totally fresh start with random recommendations that will only start to focus their topic after you watch a few videos, you can delete your entire history. To do this, simply go to the right side of your history screen and click the Delete Watch History link. You should be able to start all over again once you do this. Finally, here's a bonus nugget for you. If you want to watch some videos, but you don't want to get recommendations for more videos of that type, you can pause the recording of your watch history. To do this, simply click on the Pause Watch History link to stop the videos you watch from being recorded in your history. You'll notice there's a confirmation dialog to go through to complete the pausing process. Once you're ready to have YouTube make relevant suggestions again based on what you watch, simply turn Watch History back on. Again, we have the confirmation dialog. Well, now you know how to have more control over the recommendations YouTube makes when you watch videos. If this has helped you, please click that thumbs up button and share the video with people you know that also watch videos on YouTube. It'll help them as well. If you're not yet subscribed, please be sure to click on that subscribe button and then click the bell icon to be notified whenever we post another great video here on David's Tutorials.